Guys, okay na po yung fried chicken na marinated. Tara guys, kain na po tayo. Fried chicken na marinated. Sarap. Lasang lasa yung marinate. Sarap ng lasa. Sarap guys. Guys, masarap talaga pag marinated yung chicken. Kahit wala nang sausawan. Malasa. Guys, salamat guys. Thank you for watching.